Hi everyone, welcome to our second week challenge to learn Tahitian dance. We have 5 weeks to go, and today we are going to learn the Varu. So that will be this week move. I'm gonna teach you a move every week and give you a little video of practice of challenges so you can practice at home. So before that, I thought this time I'm gonna show you first how to do the move, so then you can understand it and then you can repeat it for our little challenge and learn at home. Please don't hesitate to duet me and tag me for feedbacks. I will be so happy to help you as best as I can during those videos. So for the Varu, we are going to draw a 8 with our hips, of course. So that's the move. We can go slow for slow dance, we can go faster for fast dance. What we're gonna do first for the beginners is to start dancing feet apart. Remember, this is only to practice. The move have to be made feet together. So feet apart, because we are learning. Bend your knees, always stand straight, control your tummy, and then you're gonna draw the 8 with your hips from side, so you can see. So you're pushing at the front and at the back, so front and back, and going at the middle, front and back. And this time your knees will need to move sideways. You can twist your feet to help as well. Some people keep their feet going straight like this. Other people, like me, twist it because that's how I learned it. So bend your knees and then draw your 8 with your hips using your knees. Remember not to move your shoulders. Everything goes in the legs in Tahitian dance. So yeah, that's our little video of introduction for this week. And yes, I will see you soon.